What's happening, guys? Welcome to RGHtechTv. This is Redmi Note 5 Pro, which has been recently launched here in India. And today in this video, let's unbox it. Let's have a look at camera samples and let's also listen to sound quality. Now, this actually comes in two variants, one which has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of inbuilt storage, and the other one which has 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of inbuilt storage. Now, the 4 gig variant is priced at 13,999 Indian rupees, and the 6 gig variant is priced at 16,999 Indian rupees. Now, the complete list of specification and buying links are given in the description box below. Kindly check them out as well. Alright guys, now this actually comes with Snapdragon 636 processor, which has 4 Cryo cores, Cryo 260 to be specific, and it's also a 14 nanometer processor, guys, like Snapdragon 625, which is based on FinFET technology. So A, you can expect superb performance, and B, better battery life. So definitely I'll test and let you know in the full review. So let me just take this top lid off, and we actually get a cover which is pretty good. First time I'm actually seeing Xiaomi including this cover in the box, so that's pretty good to know. And this is the golden variant, guys, which I've ordered. So as you can see, let me just remove this sticker on the back side. So this actually has that dual camera setup on the rear side. So it comes with 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel camera combination. And on the front side, we have 20 megapixel camera. So let me remove a sticker which is on the front side as well. And this actually has that 18:9 aspect ratio. So this comes with 5.99 inch Full HD panel, Full HD plus panel because of that 18:9 aspect ratio. And this also has 4000 milliampere battery. So pretty good to know. Let's power this on and let's see what else comes in the box. We have a quick start guide and warranty information. So let's keep them aside. And we also get a charger. So quickly, let's see what's the rating. So it's actually a 2 amp charger, 5 volt 2 amp charger. So it's not a fast charger. And we also have micro USB to standard USB cable, so it's not type C. So let's keep this aside, and apart from that, we have a SIM ejector pin. We don't get headphones in the box, so let's keep all these things aside, and let's actually set up the device, and I'll give you some important information about the device. Alright guys, I have set up the device. Now firstly, let's check the fingerprint sensor performance, and later on let's see the camera samples and also the sound quality. Now as you can see, it's pretty fast and pretty accurate as well. I have no issues initially. So as you can see, it's pretty fast. Alright guys, now quickly let's look at some details. So out of the box, it runs on MIUI 9.2 based on Android 7.1.1, and we also can see that we have a system update which actually adds face unlock. So as you can see, it's a 1.6 GB update, guys. I'll update it later and let you know how good or how bad this new feature is. And if I have to look at the RAM scenario, so out of that 4 GB, like 2.1 GB is free. Alright guys, now as mentioned earlier, this has that 5.99 inch Full HD plus panel with that 18:9 aspect ratio. Now this enables us to have bigger display in a smaller form factor. Now to compare, this is Mi A1, guys, which has almost similar form factor, but this holds smaller display and this has bigger display. So as you can see, this has 5.5 inch display and this has 5.99 inch display. Now if I have to compare it with Honor 7X, this has 5.93 inch display and this has 5.99 inch display. So as you can see, both have 18:9 aspect ratio. Now looking at design and build, this has metal back panel, but bottom and top edges are plastic. To be honest guys, it was a little disappointing because Mi A1 launched like 6 months ago has a metal unibody construction. So as you can see, it's completely made up of metal, and even Honor 7X has metal unibody construction, and I was expecting this kind of design and build on Redmi Note 5 Pro, which in my opinion could have made it look and feel much better. Alright guys, now speaking about rear camera, focusing was fast, images were sharp and also had good bokeh effect. Colors were also pretty accurate, but sometimes I felt they were a little bit saturated. Now portrait mode, just like Mi A1, worked perfectly fine with good edge detection and clear-cut demarcation. In some cases, I felt Redmi Note 5 Pro to be slightly better than Mi A1, as images were brighter and also covered a larger area. Now front-facing camera was also pretty impressive. Images were detailed, colors were accurate, and field of coverage or wide angle was also pretty good. Next, portrait mode on front facing camera was also spot on with good edge detection.
Broken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life. You'll see clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you do just what you're told. I'll be your heart temptation, 'cause I know that you make your own.
So that's it guys. If you feel this video was informative, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, follow us on Twitter at RGHtechTv. And most importantly, before I end this video, I want to thank everyone, each one of you, for being part of RGHtechTv and helping us reach 100k subscribers. I'm pretty sure it wouldn't have been possible, or it couldn't have been possible without your love and support. And I'm also pretty confident that you'll stay connected to this channel in future as well. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you real soon.